How we doing, guys? Today we're unboxing the DJI microphone. We have the one with one transmitter and one receiver. DJI does make it actually that you can get it with two mics and one receiver as well if you need that specific version for your workflow. I think it's a little more expensive. Taking it out of the box, comes in a nice little pouch with everything's organized. The box also obviously comes with DJI's, quick start guides and warranty information, but there's a lot of helpful tips in here if you haven't had one of these mics before to how to set it all up and get started. So you can see next to the box, super small and compact, easily thrown into a backpack or maybe your luggage if you're traveling with the mic. Let's see what's going on here. Let's unzip it. Open her up. Let's see here. Awesome. So I love that they have two extra pouches and zippers to keep everything its own little compartment inside. I think on the left here we see all the accessories. It does come with two mobile adapters, a lightning bolt adapter as well as a USB-C. This looks like the lightning bolt adapter here. So super easy and compact, high quality. Has a little arrow on it even to show you how you can plug it into the receiver. There's the other one, that's a USB-C, or no, it's a lightning bolt there adapter. Awesome. So that's really helpful and nice to have, so you can put those right in there and have both wherever your workflow is. Let's see what's going on in here. This looks like the horseshoe adapter. So if you're using this mic, maybe with a DSLR camera or mirrorless, you want to plug it on top so you don't have to hold it. This is a great little adapter to have to put it right on top of that camera. Nice little wind mic here, a little windscreen. So if you're outside, it's super windy, you can still get pretty good audio. This might be the charger. Perfect. So there's no brick that comes with this, so you will need to use your own brick to charge them, but it does have both cords. You can charge both the receiver as well as the mic at the same time, which is really nice. So really helps with the workflow in that regard. Audio in and audio out. So once you have your receiver on your mic, you can just plug it into your camera and get audio straight into the camera. I think down on the right we have the actual transmitter and receiver. So there's the mic receiver. You can see a little spot there on top where you plug in the different adapters, slide them right in. Microphone sits on the left side here. We'll just take this out. Awesome. So you can see a little clip. This little square piece on the back is actually the magnet, so you can slide that off and then put it underneath a shirt or a sweater, and the mic will just hold in case you don't want to use the clip or put the mic in an awkward spot. So that's really, really nice that they include that as well. You can see them side by side. So this is one of the mobile phone adapters that you can put onto the receiver. So you just line them up and plug it right in. I think I have this the wrong way. I probably have to line up the actual arrows and pay attention to what they're telling me to do. There you go. Pretty firm squeeze to get that in there actually, which is nice. So it'll stay steady in there and it'll hold on when it's plugged into like a mobile phone, for example. Which is really nice. But once it's in there, you get a little notification from the receiver that it's an adapter is hooked up to it, which is nice. It kind of confirms that everything's lined up and you should be ready to go, and you're not trying to record audio and it all of a sudden not recording. So to take this off, a nice little push again. We'll put it next to the other adapter, and there you go. You have all the different DJI accessories, the mic, the receiver, the windscreen, nice little carrying pouch, audio cord, as well as the charger. So really, really cool setup by DJI.